Hi friends, welcome back. And in previous session, as we have seen about streams topic, and we discussed about what is character stream and byte stream. Now we will go in further detail by using a simple program. First, I am going to show a program using byte streams, and under byte streams there are several subclasses or methods, and in that subclasses they are by byte array input stream, file input stream, piped input stream. So that in those I am going to take any one of the stream. That is, I am going to take data input stream, which is a sub package of a file input stream class, and try to display the output in a file. Okay, and I'll give this input from a keyboard, and try to print it in a file. Okay, initially I'm going to import a package. Import java dot lang dot star, and I'll write a class and name it as create. Okay, now in order to write our program, as you know that a main method is required, public static main string args, and then our file. In any of the stream programs, we need to give an extension that it throws an exception, because as we are giving input from a keyboard, it throws an IO exception. In order to handle the IO exception, we need to use throws IO I oh sorry IO exception. Sorry, I have done here a mistake. It is from IO package, not lang package. Lang is going to be a default package which we can write our directly. It is going to be our default package. And now I'm going to give an input, that too from an keyboard, so that I'm going to read data input stream. Stream f equal to new data input stream, data input stream. So I'm giving as I'm giving an input, so that I'm going to use system dot in. Now in order to print the output in a file, I'm going to use file output stream. File output stream is equal to new file output stream. Now I'm going to write a txt file which my data is going to be stored. So I'm going to name it as in.txt. Now in order to transfer the data, as my data is going to be of type characters, I'm going to declare a char and name it as ch, a variable declaration. So in order to ask to enter the text dot println, and I am going to write enter the text. Okay, as variable declaration is completed, in order to take the input from the keyboard and read to the file a bit by bit, I'm going for example, I have given an input stream data from a keyboard as static main. So in order to read it to a file, I will divide the static into a single character and read them in a single byte by byte, so that I am going to use read method. So in order to read the whole statements, I am going to use while condition. Sorry, it's why I'm going to typecast it means that in any of the file programs, the output is going to be returning in the form of integer, so that I need a character as my return type. So in order to get the character as my return type, I'm going to use the typecasting into char. So I'm going to typecast it, and now I'm going to ref dot read. So I'm going to read till my program is going to have a symbol at the rate. If I have given the at the rate, the taking the input from a keyboard is going to be complete, and my program is going to stop. So now I have read the input from the file which I am going to read from the keyboard. So now my next task is going to print that in a file. For that I am going to use the write method. So write method is s dot write. So I'm going to write characters ch. So as we open the file, it is our responsibility to close. So that I'm going to close f dot closc close. Okay. Now I'm going to save this. Create. And I'm going to extend it as Java. Now going to command line, I'm going to compile and run it and check whether there are any errors. Let me check it out.